So I think if you realize, like, just because you decided to go to the buffet and pick up this cantaloupe, that doesn't mean that you have to eat that for the rest of your life. If you don't like it, there's like a million other options that you can be perfectly happy with. And so don't feel like you're being married to something, like, and it's permanent. Like, nothing is permanent. Like, I may at some point not do real estate. I don't know, but for now I'm stoked. I mean, it's but let's say, I don't know, in this world, like, nothing surprises me anymore. You know what I mean? Like, if you're not adaptable, you're gonna get crushed. In this world. I mean, like, if you were in the restaurant business, you know, in these past few months, and that's like all you were committed to do because you're not a quitter, dude, you're done. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta learn how to pivot and move, because the world is so unpredictable. You just have to, you know, be able to just kind of navigate and correct and, you know,